Hey guys, Ian through the Rad Company, and in today's video we are talking about Optimum Opti-Seal, one of the easiest sealants to apply in the detailing industry. Let's jump into it. Alright, so Optimum Opti-Seal is nothing new in 2024. However, there's been several improvements over the last few years with the different formula changes to make this product even better. Now, when it was first released, this was known as the easiest spray sealant to apply ever. Literally, it almost applies itself. Simply spray it onto an applicator or spray it onto the paint, wipe it in, and you can actually watch it flash off the paint almost instantly. It's a really cool spray sealant, but there has been several improvements made over the last couple of years to give it more durability and more hydrophobic behavior. So Opti-Seal, how does it work? You're going to simply apply it to a foam applicator or a microfiber applicator and apply it to clean paint that has been decontaminated and prepped with a proper prep spray. So preferably Optimum's paint prep product is what you're going to use. But regardless, you are going to apply it in a straight line motion, circle motion, whatever you like to do. Let it sit there, have the rainbow effect, and then you're going to take a clean microfiber towel and buff it off. It is really that easy. There's no struggle, there's no major arm movements. It's a really easy spray sealant to apply. Now this product, if prepped properly, should last anywhere from 3 up to 9 months depending on the conditions that your vehicle is put through. You can put it on glass, plastic, trim, chrome, paint, PPF, wrap, and everything in between on the exterior of your vehicle. So hopefully you enjoy Opti-Seal. It's one of the best out there. As always, have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching.